Hot and spicy beef tacos. Doesn't that sound great? And believe me, it tastes great too. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, and today you're in for a very special treat with these tacos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that button down there in the corner. It's dead easy. So without further ado, let's start with the ingredients. We're going to need some mince. I've got 500 grams of a really good quality lean mince. Also we're going to need a chopped up red onion, chopped up quite small as you can see. Some of this, it's not toothpaste, it's tomato paste. You're going to need about 2 tablespoonfuls. And here are our spices. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons full of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and half a teaspoon of chili powder, just to give it that kick. And we're going to need a little drop of beef stock, just to loosen it up. So get yourself a pan on the hob, get a bit of heat going under it, and pop in some olive oil or cooking oil, whichever you prefer. Then you can put in your chopped up red onion. In that goes. We're going to mix this around a bit, get it nice and soft and flavoursome. Pop in your beef mince. Now with your beef mince you're going to need to break this up, because once it comes out of the pack it's a little bit solid. Get yourself a fork, that's the best bet, or even 2. So break this up and we're going to cook this down until we get rid of all that pinkness. And it looks like this. Then of course we can go in with all our spices, pop them all in one go, followed by a hefty squirt of tomato paste, probably about 2, maybe 3 tablespoonfuls. So pile that in. Then we're going to give this a good old mix together, get all those flavours on the go. Starting to smell good already. Now it is possible that it goes a little bit dry, especially after adding your spices. So at this point we can pop in a little bit of stock, this beef stock, just to keep it nice and loose. And obviously if that's not enough, you're going to be putting in a little bit more, because you're going to be wanting it a little bit on the loose side. Do you know what I mean? Not sloppy, but not dry either. Definitely not dry. When you've got it at the right consistency, you're good to go. So now we're ready to plate up. I use these taco shells. Now if you've got an open packet and they're not as crispy as they should do, just pop them in the hot oven for a minute and they'll be fine. So first of all we go in with our beautiful taco mix. Get plenty in there, tuck it all down nice and cosy. And then I'm going to add some salad. This is mixed salad, it's chopped up really small, and it's got a little bit of avocado in with it as well. I love avocado. And then we're going to do a topping of cheese. This is a really strong cheddar cheese, one of my all-time favourites. And then of course sour cream over the top. Now look at this. This is coming up incredible, isn't it? This is one that you've got to make for yourself. Now while we're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little button down in the corner, ring the bell to get notifications, and we're away. Thanks for watching guys. See you all again next time. Bye from me, bye from my kitchen.